Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another live trade. This one I'm doing the Euro New Zealand, and the date is November the 7th. The moment, just a little bit after 11 o'clock. Have to be aware of the London close here, but it did not do a lot of pips here, so this can keep going down. It hasn't hit the ADR yet, which is all the way down here. ADR is 151, as you can see in the top left side, and today it only went 98 pips so far. So as I said, it can still go more than 50 pips to the ADR. That's not my target. I'm just trying to grab whatever I can for the day. So far I'm up approximately 17 pips for over $1,000 down at the bottom. And let's take a quick look at the meter. Euro's neutral, but the New Zealand is still, it's at 9, so it's still strong. So that means the Euro New Zealand should be going down. So let's go back to the Euro New Zealand, the trade. Ideally I want it to break the bottom. This arrow will move over. Might see it while I'm talking here. If it does that, then I can check the higher time frames, which I already did, by the way. And the overall trend is down. It just broke the bottom and the arrow just moved over. I can put the meter on here so we can keep an eye on it. Let's put the meter on the chart. Just drag and drop it and then press OK. I'm up 1700 now. All is looking good. And the meter is still at 9.5, which is what I want to see for it to keep going. I followed all my rules in the pip trigger, trading the 2 MACD system. Everything. This was the best looking one to take for today, and I prefer to only take the strongest and the best. And if you follow those rules, you really should find success using the pip trigger. Forex Nelson is back. All I'm doing is sitting on the sidelines here watching my trade. It will fluctuate a bit, but I'll stay in the trade until I start to see some blue down here at the bottom. Don't want to give too much back to the market, so all I can do is manage the trade. So I'll report back shortly as this trade moves along. Forex Nelson is back. Decided to close the trade as it's around 11:30. London close. Can easily do a pullback against the trend. And plus I have to step out and do a few errands today. So I ended up with over $1,500. I got in the trade for about an hour and 45 minutes. I got in little cursor right here, and I just closed the trade with 23 pips. Now I know it can hook around and keep going down, but that's okay. I'm always happy with, especially if I can get between 20 and 30 pips on a trade. And as long as I follow my rules and don't break the rules, there's a high probability that I will get those number of pips every day on my trades. Now if you look right below this video, you will see 2 different pip trigger packages. That is if you're interested. And if you are, just get in touch with me either by calling me directly or emailing me or Skype. And if you Skype me, I'll do screen sharing with you, and I can show you some more examples and tips which should really help your trading. I'll do that actually for free. There's no obligation, but you have to get in touch with me if you want those tips. And if you're interested in a pip trigger, you can see the pricing right below this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That just about wraps up this video, as now I have to do a training video. Another one. Anyhow, until the next trade, happy trading.